I used to think that 3D printing had no purpose at Boyce Technologies. I used to think that the fastest way to do something was to do it out of a piece of metal. And what I'm realizing is that 3D printing has so much value in tooling, in testing, in prototyping, in packaging. I don't know how to live without 3D printing anymore.
Ford invested very early in the first additive manufacturing machines, so we are printing for 30 years now, and that's why we looked for large format machines and found the BigRep one. Yeah, a very common application for additive manufacturing is the jigs and fixture application. Here we have a hand jig for positioning the batches on the lift gate of a vehicle. It's also printed with Pro HT on the BigRep one.
Where the initial production or engagement of the 3D printer had to do with prototyping. The percentage might have been 90% prototyping, 10% maybe for other use. It shifted over to 90% production of parts to about 10% prototyping. So that was a kind of game changer for us.
We invested in the BigRep Pro because the need for large-scale additive manufacturing increased over the time. We were not able to catch up all these needs, and that's why we need a machine that also has a higher speed that we can produce even more. To our mind, the Pro may be the enabler for end-use automotive parts.
Now, only being constrained by our imagination, 3D printing lets us go places we never could have imagined.